We have inventory management as well in ZIVUX, which includes a complete inventory visibility from one centralized platform. The module includes product master, category master, spare parts master, stock master, and allocation tracker. So this helps reduce stock mismanagement and improves operational efficiency. In product master, you can add a product with name, category, subcategory, series, model, code, spare code, capacity, and journal. For example, you can see in Profico camera, you have Profico camera with the category under hardware, subcategory as Profico camera, and you can mention all other details. Then you have category, you can have different category names with the code and a discount if you want to give to a particular event or any particular dealer, etc. You have spare parts master to basically have a spare part connected to a product with the name, code, HSN code, and pricing. For the stock, it's all about maintaining like how much there is total in stock, total dispatch, total generated, low stock or out of stock. In products, we have QR code generation facility as well. The platform supports this QR code generation, which can generate a QR code and place them on websites, posters, product packaging, marketing materials. When customers scan the QR code, they can directly submit inquiries, fill lead forms, connect with the business. All information automatically enters the CRM system. This is one of the examples to how to generate a QR code. You can fill the information. This is how a QR code will be generated. You can print it, download it, and edit it whenever you want.